Animal abuse is wrong. Why do people abuse animals? People intentionally are cruel to animals for entertainment and to make themselves feel powerful. Animals are abused and killed for products such as food, for testing, and experiments. Millions of animals are killed every day. People kill and abuse animals for fun, for sport, and entertainment. For example, there's a sport in Canada where men hit a seal on its head until it dies. Animals go through unnecessary suffering through testing of products. For example, rabbits have corrosive chemicals rubbed on their skin and eyes to test cosmetic products. Join us in our cause. Don't support businesses that wrongfully abuse animals.